Hi children, today we can study third chapter coordinate geometry. In earlier classes we have learned how to locate a point on the number line. Here we shall learn how to describe the position of a point lying in a plane. Position of a point lying in a plane. We take two perpendicular lines lying in the plane and find the distances of the point from both of these lines. These distances describe the position of the point. So how to locate a position? Just I can give you an example. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? Consider the lamp as a point and table as a plane. Consider a lamp at a point and table as a plane. Choose any two perpendicular edges. Choose any two perpendicular edges of the table. Measure the distance of the lamp from the longer edge. Suppose it is 25. So first we can measure from this edge, longer edge. From this longer edge it is 25 centimeters. Suppose we can give now like this. Then again measure the distance of the lamp from the shorter edge. So it is 30 centimeters. Suppose it is 30 centimeter. You can write the position of the lamp now 30, 25. 30, 25 or we can write 25, 30. So it is not a uniform. We cannot say which is constant. So one uniformity we needed. For solving this situation, one French mathematician René Descartes found out Cartesian system. So now let us see Cartesian system. What is mean by Cartesian system? We take two number lines x and x dash. Two number line we can take x and x dash and y and y dash. This is a horizontal line. This is the vertical line. Horizontal line belongs to x axis. We can say x, x dash. So this is known as x axis. Now vertical line we can say y and y dash. So these two lines intersect at a point. So we can denote as O or 0. We can denote this point as 0. Now OX and OY are positive direction. OX and OY are positive direction. OX dash and OY dash are negative direction. So positive direction we can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 except 6 so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so on. Then negative direction we can write it as -1, -2, -3 and so on. Y dash also we can mention -1, -2, -3, -4 etc. So we can denote like this. So this is x-axis. X-axis we can say another name abscissa. X-axis we can denote as abscissa. Abscissa and y-axis we can say that ordinate.